Welcome to the future of data tracking for SLPs, WeTalk Tracker Pro. You're about to experience an entirely new way of tracking data for your speech therapy clients. With WeTalk Tracker Pro, you can manage your client info, keep a password-protected schedule, track data with our one-of-a-kind data collection system, assign and customize goals from our list of hundreds of pre-formatted goals written to state standards, generate stunning data graphs that'll make you the superstar of your next meeting, and access the most up-to-date reference materials, including speech and language milestones and state standards, all with the tap of a finger. Using WeTalk Tracker Pro is easy and intuitive. To get started, you'll need to create a user account and set up your first client. Once you've got that set, you're ready to dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is assign goals to your clients. To do that, just tap on the Goal Bank section at the top. A list of all of our pre-formatted goals appears and allows you to select the category and goal type you want to work on with your client. Don't worry about customizing, you can do that later. Just tap on the Add Client icon at the top right, assign the goal to your client, and you're done. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the goals we've formatted for you. These goals take all the hard work out of writing goals to state standards and will save you boatloads of time and energy. Now that you've assigned a goal, it's time to customize it. To do that, just switch to your client's profile page. Click on the Goals row and click Add New Card. Adding a new card starts a new session with all of the goals you've assigned to a given client. If you want to revisit a previous session with a client, you can do that too. Just select View All Cards and select the session date you want to jump back into. Now you've started a new session, so let's customize your client's goal. Just click on the Goal button and select the unique values you want to assign to your client. You don't have to do this to track data, but it's a great function that's always available to you. Now it's time to track some data. Just click on the row of the goal type you want to track and track. Our unique system allows you to move beyond just correct or incorrect and select different levels of cueing: modeling, oral or verbal cueing, gestural cueing, visual cueing, and physical cueing. Progress in therapy is incremental, and our system allows you to truly track how your clients are progressing and where they still need help. And tracking is only part of what WeTalk Tracker Pro has to offer. Want to generate stunning color-coded reports? Just click on Reports and you can email, export, save, and print them. Having trouble juggling your clients' schedules? No problem. Just click on the Calendar section for an in-app calendar that keeps your appointments safely separate from your iPad's other calendars. Have a group appointment and want to track data for several clients at once? Just click on the group appointment from your calendar, click View Profiles, and they all appear. And if you need to look something up, just head over to our reference section where you'll get thousands of pages of information, including age and grade milestones and state special education codes at your fingertips. WeTalk Tracker Pro is an app developed by a speech-language pathologist for speech-language pathologists. And, unlike other apps, there's no subscription fee. It makes data tracking a cinch, motivates students to engage and make progress, and gives you, the therapist, more time to spend with your clients instead of under mounds of paperwork. For more detailed information on how to use WeTalk Tracker Pro, head over to our website at www.wetalktrackerpro.com and visit our support page.